up everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today right about now we have the unboxing of the vivo Y51. So let's go ahead and dig in. Right there. So what we have the back cover, and this right here, they call it titanium sapphire. We have in the box, we have the 18 watts plug, type C cable, and the headset. Nice. That's all we have in the box. We'll go ahead and switch it on. The phone has a 6.58 inches IPS LCD display, 84.5% screen to body ratio. It has a screen resolution of 1080p by 240 pixels, full HD plus display. It comes out of the box with Android 11 with Vivo's own FunTouch OS on top. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 11nm for the chipset and Adreno 610 for the GPU. The phone packs 8 gigabits of RAM and 128 GB of storage, which you can expand through a dedicated micro SD card slot. Now on the rear side, the phone has a triple camera setup with 48 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel macro lens. It can record videos in 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 30 and 60 frames per second. It has a ultra stable video function, and on the selfie camera it has a 16 megapixel wide angle lens and can record videos at 1080p at 30 frames per second. The phone has a 3.5mm jack, and it has features to improve your listening experience, like an audio booster for in case you're watching videos, you're watching a movie, you're listening to music, to give you a better sound experience. It has a Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, and USB Type-C 2.0, and supports USB on the go. It has a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, plus it has a 5000 mAh battery that supports fast charging up to 18 watts. Vivo Y51 comes in two colors. There's what they call the crystal symphony, and then the titanium sapphire.